Computer-aided design, or CAD, software is essential for engineers, architects, and designers to bring their ideas to life digitally. Whether you are working on a budget or need high-end features, there is a CAD software for you. Let's explore the top CAD software for 2024. According to Statista, the CAD software market generated approximately $7.5 billion in revenue in 2018 and is expected to nearly double by 2028. Here are some of the top-paid CAD software programs that are leading the market. Onshape is a cloud-based 3D CAD tool created by former SolidWorks CEOs and later acquired by PTC. It is ideal for mechanical engineering applications, offering design, simulation, and real-time collaboration. Onshape is accessible anywhere with an internet connection, making it perfect for remote teams. Subscription starts at $1,500 per user per year. Developed by Dassault Systems, SolidWorks is tailored for mechanical design. It offers features for 3D CAD, product data management, simulation, and more. SolidWorks is used across various industries, including aerospace and automotive. Single-user licenses start at $3,995, with professional licenses at $5,490. Training and support are readily available. Also developed by Dassault Systems, CATIA is known as the world's leading solution for product design and innovation. It offers advanced tools for design, engineering, and system simulation. CATIA is used in industries like aerospace and automotive. Its high cost is justified by its extensive capabilities, making it a top choice for complex projects. BricsCAD is a more affordable alternative, offering both 2D and 3D CAD capabilities. It combines CAD and building information modeling, BIM, in one package. BricsCAD is user-friendly and supports various file formats. Pricing ranges from $500 to $1,500 per year, depending on the license level, making it accessible for different needs. Developed by Siemens, Solid Edge offers robust tools for mechanical design, sheet metal design, and simulation. It is similar to SolidWorks in terms of capabilities and user interface. Solid Edge is more affordable, with entry-level licenses costing around $2,000 annually. A premium license costs approximately $4,000 per year, and free trials are available. PTC Creo, formerly known as Pro Engineer, is a scalable design software suite. It offers tools for 3D CAD modeling, idea development, and prototype modeling. PTC Creo is known for its intuitive editing tools and comprehensive control over parametric objects. Design packages start at approximately $2,780, with free academic editions and 30-day trials available. Autodesk Inventor is designed for mechanical engineering applications. It offers robust tools for 3D mechanical design, documentation, and product simulation. A professional-grade license costs around $2,400 per year. Autodesk also offers combo licenses, including AutoCAD and Fusion 360, for approximately $3,000 per year. Rhinoceros, or Rhino, is a versatile 3D modeling tool. It offers a range of modeling, editing, and rendering tools. Rhino is used mainly for mechanical designs and engineering projects. A full license for Rhino 7 costs $995, with options to upgrade from previous versions. Multi-month free,